Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. I hope you're doing well. Today I have a really exciting video and one of my favourite videos ever to film. I'm going to try and lift it. Can you guess? Cherryz. I have yet another Cherryz haul, but this one's really worth sticking around for, so keep watching. If you're new here, then feel free to stay, like, comment, subscribe, whatever you want to do. And if you're a returning subscriber, then thank you for coming back. If you don't know what Cherryz is, then you must be living under a rock because it is everywhere. It's essentially your Home Bargains, B&M online. So it has all your things that you need online. Household, cleaning, health and beauty, loads, food and drink. So as always, I do have a discount code for you all and it's Elliemolly 25, all in capitals. I'll put it somewhere on the screen. And that will get you 25% off your first order only if you haven't already ordered. I mean, Cherryz is already cheap, but plus 25% off. Chef's kiss. So without further ado, is that how you say it? Further ado, I think so. I'm just gonna get straight into it. Hope you've got your phone ready to order some bits. Also, I do quickly want to mention, sorry, there's just so many points here. I ordered this about 10 o'clock on one evening. Obviously it had the next day to process it and then it came the day after. So it took essentially one full day to come. I was so impressed with the delivery times. That's so fast because they've got to pack it, they've got to process it, then they've got to give it to the shipping people. That's just perfect. Perfect. What category shall we start with first? I think we should start with food and drink because it's the smallest section. The first thing I picked up are two 1.5 litre bottles of Pepsi Max. They're just easy, put them in the fridge, have them cold, Bob's your uncle. And I didn't really expect Cherryz to have these. And they were like, I think they were £1 each, so very ideal. The next thing I picked up was a fajita seasoning mix. It's literally just cheaper to get the packet, chicken and wraps, unless you like the salsa and stuff. But yeah, this was like 95p or something, really good. Yeah, who doesn't love fajitas? I'm sorry for you if you don't like fajitas. I'm sorry. The next thing are some skinny chocolate chip cookies. Yes, I've already had a couple, I obviously couldn't wait. Yeah, some cookies. I thought I'd try, I've never tried these before. Well, now I have, but an alternative version to Maryland, sugar-free. And the last food and drink item I got was some chipsticks. Oh, it goes in my outfit. I used to love chipsticks as a kid and I fancied them for so long, so I thought I'm just going to pick them up. How many packets do you get? 6 packets for like £1 or something, so I had to get them. They were like, you're going to get me? I was like, I'll go on then. Family favourites, baked and not fried. So that is all the food and drink. I didn't get that much because I made up for getting more cleaning stuff. Just happened and here we are. Sorry if my hair looks greasy. I had oil on and now I have oil in my hair, which is great. So as we were talking about cleaning, it's only right to do the cleaning section next. So this is what I got from Cherryz for cleaning. So this is where adulting is really coming into play now. A 9-pack of toilet roll. I am such an adult. I am now an adult. Not that I've not bought toilet roll before, but anyway. 3-ply, and these were like really reasonable for a 9-pack. So all triple soft. That's always good. Right, with a burst of fragrance. Give it a smell. Give it a smell. Actually smells nice. You know, you can get toilet roll that smells nice. That's this. That's weird, I'm smelling, isn't it? Anyway, I would actually get that. I mean, I have got that. I've got 2 fabric conditioners. I got Clean and Fresh Summer Haze, and I got the Comfort Pure Baby one. And I don't know if I've spoken about this in a video before, but this is my favourite. You can't even look at it, little baby. It's magic. It's just the nicest smelling fabric conditioner ever. And then I thought I'd just pick up another one because you can never have too much. Summer Haze, it just smells of summer, I guess. Just flowers, nice and clean. Yeah, whilst we're on the subject of laundry, I picked up a Dr. Beckham Stain Devils like stain remover, and look at this little brush. I thought this was so fun. This is like obviously where the product comes out. But yeah, you just put on your clothes that has stains on, or you've just like dropped something down you and you need to get out ASAP. This is supposed to be really good. Good Housekeeping Institute approved 2021, works first time. That sounds like dreamy. Because having white clothes, white bedding, you know, things get spilt on it, so I'm actually really excited to try that. I have 2 more things to do with laundry, and I have some colour control, prevents colour runs in mixed washes. So you know when like colour fades and runs, this is to catch the colour, I think. Yeah, catch the colour. In a previous Cherryz haul, I got a darkening sheet one like this, which makes the dark clothes stay dark. And I've used that a couple of times. So I have high expectations for the colour control ones. And then I've got some Incredibles, that's literally what it's called, that's fun. Scent boosters like the, is it Lenore? You can get Lenore ones. Incredibles? I forgot what it's called. I forgot. Anyway, yeah, I got some in the scent Linen Room, and it smells just fresh. And obviously you just chuck them in with your washing and it boosts the scent. So I'm excited to try these actually, because I haven't actually tried the original ones. So yeah, I picked up some of my favourite Shake and Vac, which is in the Magnolia and Vanilla scent, and it smells unbelievable. Like, your carpets are going to smell good, no doubt about it. So you just obviously shake it on, leave it for a while, hoover it up, and the scent just is a must if you want your carpets to smell nice, like top notch. Whilst we're talking about things smelling nice, I got something, you can't see what it is because it's wrapped up really well. Let me just unravel it. I got some Febreze 3 Evolution scent things. So we've got the plug-in in the wall, and obviously it needs refills, and this is in the scent Spring Awakening by Lenore. I just needed some refills, and these are usually really like expensive in the shops. Like the actual holder thing isn't that expensive at all, but then these are. But these were really reasonable in Cherryz, so I definitely picked one up. And again, I like things to smell nice, so that's going to be going in straight away, you bet. Last 2 items I have of cleaning up for the bathroom. What's happened to my voice? So, have a bottle of bleach, nothing much to say about it. Bleach is bleach, obviously it kills all the bacteria and stuff in the loo, so I needed a top up. And then I got some toilet flushing things that you hang on in ocean spray. I've got these before and I quite liked them, so I just got some more. Nothing much to say about it again for your loo to make it smell nice. And if you've watched my previous video of me like cleaning, then you know that I spoke about these like bathroom freshener things. Can you see because the light? These are just another level. So you just put them in and then you press this button at the back and it like sets it off, and then you walk into your bathroom and the smell just hits you because it's so strong. Like, they do a bloody good job. But I got it in a different scent this time. I got them in Blossom and Breeze, and I'm really excited to try this. So the last section I have to show you is health and beauty. There's just like a few bits here and there that I needed and wanted to try. So I'm going to start with women's products. So I literally, again, just for a top up, I got some pads, not much to say about that, and some tampons. And I do love myself a bath, so I picked up Moonlit Skies bath soak bubble bath, and it just smells so yum because it's white cashmere, and cashmere is so good. And it says £1.29 on there, but it wasn't, it was like £1. So this just creates bubbles, and it just lasts, because some bubbles don't last, but these do. It's up pack Anodin, specifically headache, because for some reason we keep getting loads of headaches just out of nowhere. I don't know if it's the change in weather or because it's muggy, I don't know, but definitely needed some of them. Picked up some ultra strong styling gel just for like when I want to do slick Rick. I've definitely said that in a video before somewhere. But yeah, gel just makes it better. You just use a toothbrush, grab some of that, stick it through your hair. Obviously it does go hard, but what do you expect? Also grabbed my favourite, the Dove roll-on, because Dove is one of my favourite smelling things. Again, scent. And I just prefer roll-ons to spray, or I use both sometimes. But yeah, definitely roll-on. 2 makeup-y bits. I grabbed some micellar water because I'm running out of mine. Removed makeup and grime, and yeah, I just needed just something to take it off that isn't wipes. And I also grabbed a moisturiser which actually has SPF 15 in it, which is obviously amazing in this weather. You don't have to put on 2 different creams, it's just an all-in-one, and it's little, so you can like put it in your bag if you want. Just excited to try that. So believe it or not, that is all the items, and that's quite a lot. I think that was like 28 items or something. As I said at the start of the video, I do have a discount code, and I'll put it on the screen again for you, and that's Elliemolly25, all in capitals, for 25% off your first order only. Your first one, not your second, not your third, not your fourth. I just whacked myself in the nose. Just your first order. If you've shopped from there before, why not do another one? They always add new products, and it's just great. Thank you, Cherryz, for working with me on this video. I really, really, really do appreciate it. I'm literally so excited now to put all my cleaning stuff away and put all my scent things in. It's gonna smell good. It's gonna smell good up here. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you're a new subscriber, then stick around, subscribe. I upload, it seems like loads of different things now. And if you're a returning subscriber, then thank you so much for coming back. If you're either of them, give it a like and drop a comment if you want. Let's have a chat about the things. Why not? Don't forget to use my discount code if it's your first order, and I will see you in my next video, which I think is a try on fashion one. Fingers crossed. See you in my next video. Bye.